In this video, let me show you how to breed legendary dragons in Dragon City. The best strategy is to breed two pure dragons together. While it doesn't guarantee a legendary, it gives you one of the highest chances available, around 1% per try. You won't be able to target a specific legendary like Crystal or Mirrorwind, but once the breeding qualifies for legendary, the game will randomly assign one. The location you breed in doesn't matter, but using higher rarity or empowered dragons can slightly boost your odds. Some players says using stronger dragons improve chances, though it's not confirmed by developers. You can also use breeding boosts or participate in breeding events, which sometimes guarantee legendary dragons after a certain number of attempts. Check the possible outcomes before you breed. If the legendary appears in the preview list, you're on the right track. And remember, it's all about persistence. Keep breeding, use your bonuses, and eventually you'll get there. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.